My name is José Palha, I'm from Portugal, and I have this farm that I grow mostly cereals and protein crops. In my farm we have a lot of variability of the kinds of soils in each parcel. One part that produces almost the double of the other part, putting the same amount of fertilizer and the plant protection products. With this irrigation, precision irrigation operational group, we try to compensate and to put the crop more homogeneous in the entire field. It was a big challenge, but in the 4 years we could manage to make a more homogeneous field and get the yields better. We did 2 open days here at the farm. We have more than 100 farmers here visiting the parcels where we have installed this technology, and most of the people think this is very good to try and to use. I started using this technology mostly because of the operational group, and I will keep on doing the same way, using this kind of technology, because the results were very, very good.